Hi, Sarah here, posing with my little brother Monty, the Ducati Monster 400S. Today, my fuel tank is getting some attention. My tank was getting rusty underneath, just like my little sister Isabella's, the YB100. Not a pretty sight. John removed my fuel cap, which needs a new seal, and my petrol tap, which he restored with a rebuild kit, so it won't leak petrol through the vacuum line and foul my plug. John is attacking the rust with his power drill and wire brushes. Look at all these brushes designed to get into almost any place. And to finish, some really tough sandpaper called emery cloth. Once most of this rust is pretty much gone, John uses the CRC rust converter liquid. John brushes on 2 coats of this milky looking stuff. Once it is dry, the milky look turns to black and it looks a lot better. Then John, never content, marks off my paintwork and gold trim. Looks like I am to have some paint too. Yep, this prime and paint stuff in gloss black. So that's why they're called rattle cans, a bit like a very loose tappet. John's OCD will never allow less than 2 coats. Yep, 2 coats. Which seems to take ages. My paintwork looks a lot better. John has also restored my rather rusty battery box. And got me a nice new sealed battery. So hopefully no more corrosion. John still has to treat the inside of my tank, so it looks like I'll be a garage queen for now, while Monty is hitting the local back roads. Thanks for watching.